Giveaways and raffles have just got so much easier, not just for Twitch, but for Kick, YouTube, any other platform you can think of, thanks to LumiaStream. Just watch this. Welcome to LumiaStream's latest feature and game called the Raffle system. This has been released in 7.2 in beta. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up from start to finish with some advanced features to get rid of some nuances. But we do have an awesome little giveaway for this video. So if you want a chance to win 1 month premium of LumiaStream, make sure you like this video and leave a comment below. And at the end of the month, we will pick a winner. So on LumiaStream, what you need to do is go down to Raffle and then create new raffle. And on here, it'll show you the basic things you need to set up the raffle. Raffle title. What do you want to call your raffle? Or what are you giving away? Description. Do you want a little bit more detail into what you are giving away or what you're running a raffle for? Then we have advanced settings, which is subscriber chance. Goes from 1 all the way to 10. Can't go higher than 10. And this just means anyone who subscribed to you gets an extra chance depending on what you have it on. So 1 times chance is the same for everyone, whether they're a subscriber or not. And then from 2 times, they have 2 times more chance than a regular user, and so on. Max entries per user. How many times do you want a user to enter this raffle? 1, maybe you want them to be able to enter 10 times. Restrict users. So do you want to restrict anyone? Do you want to stop anyone joining your raffle? Maybe it's someone who's already won a raffle previously, or maybe it's just someone you don't like. The raffle type. So we've got user list and guessing game. User list, basically what it says it is. So it'll pick a user out of the user list that is entered. Guessing game, viewers have the chance to win by guessing a random number between 0 and 100. If no one guesses the exact number, Lumia will select the closest guess as the winner. You can draw as many winners as you like, and you can change what it starts from and to the maximum of 100. Raffle, and then the number to guess what number you think would be able to win. We'll keep it on user list for this, and we'll click start raffle. And this is what the raffle would look like in your Lumia dashboard. Time since the raffle started, so that will keep on counting up and up and up. How many people have entered and how many winners after you've stopped it. Maybe you want to pick multiple winners. You can also add a user manually. Click add user and type their name in. So that's the basic of setting up the raffle. Once you've created a raffle, you're going to need to create an overlay for it. To do this, go into overlays, add new overlay. What's your overlay going to be called? We'll call this raffle. Set your resolution, add new overlay, add layer, interactions, raffle. Here it is. So this is the raffle we have just created. On here, you can go to your content, you can manage your raffle, you can change your border color and your background color. You can also make it transparent and change your border radius. You can show the winning modal, which you would want that ticked on, and you can play sound effects, which is your little cheer and your spinning noise. Styling, change your text style, and then obviously you can make it bigger, move it wherever you want it, make it smaller. But remember, it's not just showing this, it'll show your winner in this box as well. Then copy URL, save it, close it down, paste your URL into your OBS under browser source, and don't forget to change how big that browser source is. You want the browser source to be the same resolution as your overlay. As you can see, here is our OBS source, which is the overlay we've just created. You can move it wherever you want, resize it on here as well. Now, there's a couple of things I would suggest doing while we're onto this screen now. So we're going to back into the raffle screen. If you don't want your giveaway raffle showing time, go into raffle start. So all of these on the right hand side, you can click onto. So go to raffle start. On here, you can change if you want anything to happen with your lights, any audio files to play. So maybe you've got a funny audio file to play if you start a raffle. Manage your key lights and smart plugs, enable your text to speech, change your chatbot message, and you can change any of this. But what I suggest, if you don't want your giveaway to be shown on your screen all the time, is click advanced. So anywhere here, click here. You want to go into manage your overlay actions, type set overlay visibility. Overlay is your Raffle, because that's the overlay you've just created. You want to leave this as set to off. Add action. Done. Refresh. You can see it's still on the screen now because we need to now just press test. Just to show Lumia, look, we want this to happen right now. You only have to do this once. Press done. So we don't have the giveaway on the screen. It'll still show up in your chatbot when people join your Raffle, anything like that. And now we want to go back into the Raffle because we still want it to show when we want to stop the Raffle. So we want to go to Raffle stop. Again, you can change anything in here if you want to change your lights, audio files, chatbot, TTS. But what we want to go to is advanced again. Manage overlay actions. Type, we want to set overlay visibility, and then again choose Raffle. And now this time we want to set this to on, so we'll press this box, add action, and we've got the overlay visibility set on. So what that would mean is when we stop the Raffle, it'll show up on screen. So we'll just add a user, save, because we want a user on there, and we'll stop Raffle. So as you can see, the Raffle has popped back up onto our OBS, which means all the viewers can see this. Don't worry about where it says TMR. It'll always show the first person to enter this Raffle. Then we want to go to Raffle winner. So the Raffle has stopped. This will always stay on the screen now until we do this next bit. So we want to press Raffle winner. Again, you can change everything in here. Over here, again, we want to go into advanced. Manage overlay actions. Type, we want delay. And we're going to set this for 10 seconds because we want this to show for 10 seconds. We're going to add the action. Now we're going to add another action. So we'll just press type again. And we want to set overlay visibility. Choose Raffle. And we want to leave this as set to off. So we're not going to press this. Add action. So now what will happen is when we press get winner, because we're going to choose a winner, it'll show all of this on screen for 10 seconds. It'll go through the spin of it's going through the names, and then it will show the winning screen. All of this will happen within 10 seconds, and then it'll disappear. Press done, press refresh, go back into the Raffle, and we're going to say get winner. So you can see it's spinning through. If there was more names on my screen, it'll show TMR. What everyone else sees is this picture, this image, and then it disappears. Chat, it'll say who has won. So when you've pressed end Raffle, it'll take you back to your Raffle screen where you can create a new Raffle. It'll show you all of the Raffles you've ran. Unless you press delete, it will give you the title, how many winners you've picked when you created it, and if you put your mouse over it, it'll also show you the winners. And this is where you can press delete and it will just get rid of this Raffle. Now, if you ever want to change any of your Raffle things, so what happens on the Raffle start, stop, or the winner, you can go into alerts, Lumia, and here we've got Raffle start, stop, and winner. And this Raffle system will work across all platforms because it is just a chat message. And if you're multi-streaming, people can join in from different platforms. You don't have to filter them to one platform to try and join in on that giveaway. The subscriber chance at the moment is limited to Twitch, but as anything within Lumia, it'll get improved on, it'll get more iterations on. If you've got any questions on this, leave a comment below. I'll try and get back to you, or join the LumiaStream's Discord. Don't forget to like and comment for your chance to win 1 month premium of LumiaStream. And if you want to become a premium member, check the link below, or you go on to LumiaStream.com, and when you want to purchase it, use the code TMR. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.